How's it going, guys? Well, for those of you that are learning how to code, say like in Code Academy or Team Treehouse or something, and you want to do this on your home computer, here's a simple way. Now, I got Visual Studio Code. It's a software you can download. It's free. But for learning purposes, let's actually just pull up our notepad. Let's see, notepad. This is for absolute beginners. So basically, here's our notepad. And all we gotta do is, I'm gonna paste in some HTML boilerplate. So as you can see, here's our doc type, just HTML. Here's the head and here's the body. And remember, everything that goes into the body is what goes into the website. So I'm just gonna say, hello world. I'm going to save that. So CTRL and S. And what you want to do then, here's the important part. It has to have a HTML file extension. So I'm just going to say, let's see, we're in documents. So I'm going to say, try this out.html. You can call it what you like. Just make sure it has .html at the end, and save that. Now that it's saved, we want to look it up. Okay, so go to your File Explorer and go back into the documents. And let's see, what do we call it again? Try this out. So I'm just going to type T. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Let's see. Go back to the documents. T. Under the T's for try. You find it. It's going to be at the bottom. Right here. So you just click on it twice. And as you can see right here, you got the hello world. I'm zooming in. So if you hit the Windows and the left arrow, you can do a split screening. Windows right arrow. Where do we go? Okay. So Windows and the right arrow, and we got it. So right here, this type changes. CTRLS over here, then we just have to refresh it, and there's our changes. So you know, it's HTML, so if you want to wrap it in an H1, save that. You can also click File and scroll down to Save. To see your changes, just simply refresh over here, and now it's in an H1 tags. So if you hold down Shift, Alt, well, first click next to Shift, Alt, and the down arrow. Oh, that don't work on the notepad. Never mind. So you can do is just copy and go underneath, Control V. Enter, Control V, enter, Control V, Control S to save that, and over here, let's refresh, and you can do whatever you like then. Now, if you want to do your CSS, remember you can do that just in the head tag, just simply do the style, closing style. And our CSS is in here, so if you say you want to give H1 a class and call it 1, call it whatever you like, but then up here you do .1, curly braces, and then you just say color refresh, and that one is blue. Okay, so that's how we can practice in our notepad, because that's all this Visual Studio stuff really is. It's an advanced notepad. It has all kinds of bells and whistles that you can use with it, but for now I hope that's helpful for a beginner, and I'll see you in the next video.